Get ready for a delightful journey with our pony rocker, the perfect blend of fun and simplicity. Assembling this fantastic rocking pony is a breeze, thanks to its 5 to 6 easily identifiable parts, each adorned in vibrant colors. We've designed it with precision, ensuring that every piece fits seamlessly, making the assembly process a joy for parents and a source of excitement for kids. No need to stress about measurements, we've got it all covered. Our pony rocker comes with the perfect dimensions, making sure it's just the right size for your little ones to have a rocking good time. Join us on this colorful adventure as we showcase the magic of our pony rocker. Watch your children's faces light up as they ride their very own rocking pony, and experience the joy of simple assembly that lets you focus on creating cherished memories.